Now you have to think of Slide Master as a control center for your presentation, like a conductor ensuring every slide is in sync. Now this will let you create a consistent and polished look across all of your slides. So if you're wondering how to do that, here's a perfect video for you. Now to start shaping your presentation's backbone, you need to get into the Slide Master view. This is quite simple, and you just have to click on the View tab at the top of your screen, then select Slide Master. Now this will reveal the skeleton of your presentation's design, laying out all the slides and styles that you have been using. Now once you're in the Slide Master view, you will notice a different layout, and on the left-hand side is a pane with thumbnail previews. Now at the very top is a master slide. This controls the default styles and layouts for your presentation. Then beneath it are the individual layouts that derive from the master slide. Now understanding the hierarchy here is the key. Just know the changes made to the master slide will affect all layouts linked to it. Now while alterations to a specific layout will only apply to that layout. So if you try to click on any of these thumbnails, the respective slide or layout will appear on the main window ready for editing. And when you're customizing the Slide Master, you can just select the layout you want to adjust, and then changes here will apply to all slides using it. For finer control, choose an individual layout. You can also add or edit placeholders by selecting Insert Placeholder in the Slide Master tab, choosing the type you need, and clicking and dragging to place or resize it. And that's how you can use the PowerPoint Slide Master in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.